depart to Charlie Yankee, Victor Mike this morning.
Iqaluit Kilo, wind 330 at 6. Altimeter 2942 and squawk 1262.
Squawk 1262 for Echo Alpha Kilo, and we are ready to lift now, so we'll be lifting the ramp momentarily and departing northbound. Flight node.
By faith into this grace in which we stand and rejoice in hope of the glory of God. And not only that, but we also glory in tribulations.
Better be amazing.
To be sick and go across ice like this. No.
Guys, how are you gonna do the pass that? It's 7,000 feet.
Continue northeastbound.
Amazing country we live in, you guys. This is so amazing. Look at all these birds just dancing. Could we ask for something better? No, I don't think so.
Amazing. Alright, I'm just about to land here and get out for some awesome shots. It's crazy.
Okay, so I'm by myself. I'm by myself in the top of a mountain somewhere. Oh my word. I can't believe this!
And broken radio, helicopter Golf Echo Alpha Kilo, do you copy?
Golf Echo Alpha Kilo. Repro, I reach you 5.
Excellent, I can read you now, and we're just 1 mile or 1 minute back, about 3 miles back. We have the airport in sight, and we're inbound for landing for the night.
Okay, what is going on with my phone?
Is this strip?
This is the strip.
That's the village?
That's the village.
This is a hotel?
This right here. This is our hotel.
This is a hotel, guys, right here, waiting for us. This little box.
Last point of departure was Iqaluit.
Alpha Kilo.
And we're down. Look at this! This is a way better landing than last time.
I'm gonna make it to Greenland tonight, Misha. Jimmy, nice to meet you.
Stay at our house.
Story changes.
We can't?
No.
We're not nice people?
You guys are, but you can't stay in my house.
Well, we can stay at Igloo though.
Would your wife not like it?
I don't have a wife.
You don't have a wife?
Which is good.
Which is good?
No drama.
No drama. Yes, finally we have a chance to be on track again.
All right, can we ride in the back of the truck?
We are in the Northern Territories. That's true. Hey, wait a second. There's a sink there. Yeah. There's a sink there, right?
Chicken almost look like one.
Anything that moves, you guys eat, right?
Not
That's
really.
the
We don't
way.
eat. We don't eat foxes.
So where's the hotel? Near the town?
No.
So people here basically work for the government.
Not
airport.
mainly for government.
So what do they do then?
Some of them.
It's the local government.
Yeah. Some of them. Well, there's Canadian Rangers.
Does anybody like do anything off the land, like fish or anything?
Yeah. All winter long until now.
And that's, do they use that as a big food supply or?
No, it's more
Or
like
is it a
commercial
hobby?
fishing.
Or commercial fishing, okay, perfect.
Ever tonight? How do we go there?
More beans? Well, what are we gonna do?
What's happening?
We bought too much food.
We got way too much
bought food for the whole week.
We're gonna have to invite people for supper.
Yeah, okay, I could have
Look
guessed
at
this.
You could have guessed this.
You could have guessed
Yes.
it. But look at this curry rice.
How would you guess that?
Because my dad always buys too much food.
Not me, it was Misha. Misha.
It was me, it was my fault.
This time was Misha.
Yeah.
We're doing some curry rice. Look at that.
More food, more food.
Curry rice and a
Okay,
whole
taste it,
lot of
taste it.
vegetables and beans and
Let's
yeah.
see.
How excited are you about rice and beans right now?
I'm very excited. That was
Rice,
very
beans,
good.
Vegetables? Like,
Yeah.
it doesn't get much better than that.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Nice.
And you have sprouts?
Sprouts?
No, what's this? This is
Misha,
Yeah.
you always put the salt when the rice is cooked.
When it's cooking.
So it's not, but like to do this like a tomato reduction. But
Yeah, we're gonna put some more seasonings. We're gonna get some interesting seasonings going on here.
Do this.
Basil leaves ground. Basil?
spinach. That was
Basil. You like that?
Oh, basil like that?
You don't like basil?
Basil there on the beans?
Sage? Do you like sage?
Okay.
No?
you guys are funny.